Hi, I'm looking for a part-time job on campus. Is the student employment office still in this building?
It is, but they've moved to room 115, down the hall on your left.
Thanks. Do you know what kinds of jobs are usually available?
It depends on the time of year. Right now, the dining hall and the library are both hiring.
I'd prefer something in the library. I like quiet environments.
You should mention that when you go in, they usually match students with positions that fit their preferences.
That's good to know. Do I need to bring anything?
Just your student ID and your class schedule so they can work around your availability.
Perfect. I have both with me. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Hope you find something good.